Welcome to Dorman Products Ignition Cylinder Installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered to be an easier repair by our technicians. This installation will take approximately 10 minutes to complete. Tech note: for display purposes, we have removed the steering column from the vehicle to best explain how to install this part. Warning: we recommend disconnecting the battery prior to installation for your safety. Begin the installation by removing the tilt lever if equipped. Remove the column lower shroud mounting screws and remove upper and lower shrouds too. Turn the ignition to the run position. Press an ignition lock release tab using a small screwdriver or similar tool and pull lock out from column. Finally, follow steps in reverse order for installation of new ignition lock cylinder.